Okay, this is the set head of the Lego City Forest Police. But this last Christmas 2012. What is it? Okay, I'll show you. This is the helicopter, heavy duty helicopter. That's it. Sorry if I just lift it up. That's it. It has doors. Actually, 1, 2, 5 doors on it. It's a bit disappointing sometimes when you first make it. The back door opens there, and you can see in there. Well, you can see the numbers. So we point it up here. I'll use little magazine. Inside of it, we look into it, and then with it actually, you get 3 minifigs. I took 2 out of the helicopter already. Here's one of the pilots. Here's 4 things you got. That's what you take the helmet. Of course, you're able to take off this, I don't want to do. And that's it. I still have loads more, not that much more, but still, look. It's a great set that I got. Really did like. I really did. Then it's the other one. That's the other fella. Of course, I'm not taking off this thing. You know, it's the other fella with no back print on the face. There's a back print on actually the back bit. The lines here, right there. Yeah, okay. I'll show you the little quad that comes with it. Here's the little quad. That's really it fits into it. And then you get handcuffs with it. And they work on anyone. And then here's the man. Of course you like these hats. Everyone loves these hats. And then, the fella without the hat. That's his face, obviously. You know, if you can't really see it properly, the colour of him. But you can kind of see it now. His top is... Yeah. Oh yeah, look. Thing goes. The quad goes into there, right in there. That's all I really have to show. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.